guys, Angela here, and today I'm bringing you guys another Filipino favorite. We're gonna be doing something that's found in every Filipino potluck, pancit. Let's get it, let's go, let's whip up some noodles, shall we? Let's go!
Ikaw, ako, usa ka beso. Ikaw ang pulong, ako.
Don't mind the background. Kitchen's currently still in renovation, but personally, my personal favorite is pancit palabok, but my second favorite is pancit bihon, which bihon consists of rice noodles. And the reason why I'm gonna be sharing this recipe is because this is a very common pancit. It's a very popular one. It's easy to eat and it pleases really any taste palette. And since it's rice noodles, it is gluten-free. So all my gluten-free people, this Filipino recipe is for you. The thing I like about pancit is that it's just like a vegetable stir fry. You can add whatever vegetables you like. Here are some of the standards. I got some cabbage. So we're gonna dice up some cabbage. Our onion. We're gonna peel our carrot. Can I add like how like ridiculously gigantic this carrot is? Matchsticks. And I have some celery. Again, you could add literally whatever vegetable you want. Green beans, bell peppers, mushrooms. Okay, we're gonna need half an onion. I'm gonna add a whole thing of garlic. Most recipes, and I think it's so funny, they'll be like, add 2 pieces of garlic. And I'm like, 2? You mean 5? So, in Filipino cooking, the more garlic, the better. You know you love a person is when you really give them all the garlic you have in your disposal. If you're dating someone and you notice they're only putting like the directed amount of garlic in the recipe, they don't love you. Now for the meat part of the pancit, you don't have to add meat. You could totally make this super vegetarian and vegan if you want. How I grew up with it was always chicken. We always added chicken to our pancit, and you can cook chicken for the pancit, or you could do this little life hack. Get the $5 chicken from Costco. This is the biggest time saver. And we're just gonna rip up some of that chicken breast and put it in our pancit. Trust me guys, I feel like every time you go to a Costco, you have to get at least one of these chickens. Seriously, like this is $5. You cannot beat that. It's a little hard when it's like cold already, but whatever. And that's it. And then you're just going to peel off some of the chicken. All right, time to make the pancit sauce. 2 cups of chicken stock. If you're making this vegetarian or vegan, go ahead and use vegetable stock, vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. All right, here is everything you'll need for the pancit that we've prepped and gotten ready. Time to cook. We got our trusty wok here. We're gonna turn on the fire on high heat and we're gonna wait till the wok gets hot. It's gonna get hot super fast. We're gonna add some oil and here we go. Here goes our onions and garlic. We wanna keep moving it. Quick saute with the onions and garlic alone just so that the aromatics will come out. And in goes our vegetables. And we'll wanna kinda cook it until they get a little bit soft. Okay, you can kind of see, let me move this. You can kind of see that it's starting to get glossy and translucent. That's what we want. So we're gonna scrape down all our vegetables and we're gonna pour our sauce in. Make sure you get all our sauce in there. You wanna get our entire package of noodles pretty much submerged in there. Don't be afraid. You can see it's starting to get, you can see that it's starting to get soft. You'll make sure every noodle has been touched by that sauce. we're gonna add our chicken. I'm gonna wait till the liquid reduces, and then I'm gonna start stirring it up and really stir frying the noodles with the vegetables, and then we're ready to serve. All right, our noodles are reduced. Majority of the liquid is gone. I am going to incorporate the chicken, and I think it's pretty much done. Oh, it smells like my childhood, my home, the Philippines. I know I did it right when it has that like smell to it. So this is Pancit bihon. It's bihon because it uses bihon noodles, rice noodles. And let's give it a try. God. It tastes just like my mom's with less vegetables. If you don't know my mom, if you need to know one character trait about my mom, is that she will load up on the vegetables. Like, if she sees this recipe, I already can feel the text messages of her saying, "Asan yung vegetables mo? Where are your vegetables?" Which, granted, you can add more vegetables. Now I'm looking at it, I didn't add that many. So of course, tailor this recipe to your taste, add whatever vegetables, meat you'd like. But that pancit sauce is necessary. So please make that. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you love nostalgic noodles like me. Yes. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys to the next video. Take care. Bye.